We are the Pineapple Guys. This is a special edition of the Pineapple Guys. This is one of our good friends, Mikhail, and he had to apparently sneeze. We'll let you guys figure out and enjoy that. Enjoy.
I'm about to go eat your bird.
What?
Your bird. I'm gonna eat it.
Why would you eat my bird?
Well, wait, I'm about to sneeze.
Thank God I got that on film, because that's gotta be the funniest thing I've ever seen. Shut up. Shut up. Doesn't hurt.
It hurts.
Doesn't hurt. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all laughed. And that's Mikhail.